back to the video. Today I'm going to be making cupcakes, as you can see. I'm ordering for the cupcakes. And I'm going to be making cupcakes for my sister Sally. Sally.
Hi guys. So this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
Well, tell them what kind you're making.
Okay, so I have cupcakes, but they have sprinkles on it.
What's the name of it?
I don't know.
It's called confetti.
I want to put it in.
Don't just put it right there.
Where's the whole back of it? See? Let's do it. Let's go. No.
So good. What is this?
I'm trying to read that. A lot of them now, like the most heavy.
Like,
Yeah. Whoa. Okay, so what do I add next?
a cup of water.
Okay, so now I'm going to add water.
Okay.
It's too
You
heavy.
just add all of it.
And now, what else?
Next
Eggs?
thing is the oil.
The oil.
Ooh.
So slimy.
And
the
the
eggs?
thing, yeah, the egg.
You go first. Now let's mix it. I'm gonna smush one of the eggs. So I smush one of the eggs. What?
So did I?
Oh. Okay, so we're done. I can now put these in the cake tray.
And I not this again. Here, you take this one. There's a bunch of them in there, just in case.
Yeah.
You can put some right there. You have a little cookie. So right here, look, we have these. It's really nice, really nice.
Oh, it's sticking out. I need.
They scammed us. It's just white. They scammed us so very badly.
How do you see on the?
Okay, wait, we can use the foil ones too. I thought they scammed. I thought this was like.
Oh, there's
Scammed.
two. Am I going crazy?
I think so.
Look,
So now we're gonna pour it in here.
I might. This looks so cool.
It's
So
like
cool.
egg.
Cooler than an egg. We need everything. We need the whole bucket full.
I'm a chef.
You're not that good at the chef.
I don't want to make a mess on the table.
I did. Stop dripping! Okay, let me just put more into the other one.
No,
It's so milky. Come on! Okay, so we done.
So yeah, we're gonna go put them in the oven.
Yeah.
Just close. Look at that one done. So yeah.
We're gonna decorate them. Frosting.
No, we didn't show
cream.
them. That got the purple one. Look at it.
It's so smoothie. And then got this banana one.
Yeah. I don't know if this is open. I don't want to like.
Chocolate one.
I don't know, but it's like
And we
so
got
pretty. And we got some sprinkles.
more sprinkles just in case.
Oh, so what you
Alright, we got cookies.
got? A little bite.
Cookies.
They're
Cookies.
like just like this, but these are like hers. Cause I think they're like. I don't know.
No, these are mine.
It's like I think British came with it. I don't know.
Okay, so we're gonna put them on top of the cookie.
So right here, like I did this and then, and so I get to put the frosting.
I'm gonna start off with the smooth man.
Let's see what I'm gonna use.
This is mine. I'm gonna use purple.
I'll use vanilla.
Yeah. That's a big mama secret. The spread right there. Okay.
I don't use too much. I think I'll add purple on the top. It'll be so pretty, like an ombre.
Ombre?
I think this is not vanilla, but this is. I think it probably is vanilla. I don't know what this is. It's purple. I really don't know what flavor it
I'm
is.
almost gonna be finished. I really need to like.
I haven't even gotten it. Look at mine. I haven't even gotten it.
Officially.
Down.
Okay, so I'm finishing my first cupcake. Is there any put sprinkles? But
So look what I did.
so I'll just like some right here.
Well, I think it's coming out a little nice.
Look.
Oh, it's so pretty.
I'll add a little bit more. I don't need all of it now.
Oh man, mine did not come out that good.
They're so tiny.
I know.
They're like for 1-year-olds.
Mine did not come out that good.
Oh yeah. Sunny, I think you're real chef.
So what do we got?
So
Oh, look what you got for hers. This is mine. It could have been a little bit better, but that's alright.
Hey, look.
First,
Yeah, what am I doing? Sleeping?
also got a smooth man.
That's why yours came out like that. Okay, so I'm going to get this one. So did you use your smooth man already?
Yeah, I'm really using it now. The reason I'm calling it smooth man is because the top of it, like,
Cut off.
cut off.
So spaghetti, smooth spaghetti. I'm put it all
I
over.
was trying to get those on the top, but since it's not like good cream, it won't really work. So, like a melted cupcake.
Hey!
That's okay though.
Yeah.
You have any little sprinkles? Thank you. Is that really good?
We did not rip it. It came like that. Okay, so almost done.
We made a couple of them already, but like, this is what I did earlier. I put a hole in it and fill it with frosting.
So I'm gonna put a frosting on.
And I'm gonna put on top of it so that nothing happens. And it's gonna be so cool. This is not working no more. But I need it. Put it up this. We're done. Yeah. Oh. Why wouldn't I know? I was drinking water. And I was laughing. Yeah.
Guys,
Guys, look, we have a vampire, an emo kid as man, and then we have
where?
here.
I see.
So we have the vampire's girlfriend right here. She kind of looks just like her with one tooth and the other one's like all busted. And her smile was like, I have an emo kid, just in case you can see the emo kid. He's right here.
Where?
Ah! She got smushed! Look, there's an emo kid.
You mad?
He's sad.
She like.
Oh,
Yeah.
I'm gonna do some water. Fall asleep with drinking water.
Bye guys, love you.
Bye!